Hello, taco lovers. Today we are making some Welsh Rarebit quesadillas and talking about the Welsh concept of hwyl, which is their concept of joy and happiness. Now, before I go into how to make these, please like and subscribe. It does help me keep the channel running. These do look like some really good quesadillas, a little bit different than what you may have normally. I'm going to try one of these out here. It's pretty good. Just imagine that you have beer cheese on your quesadilla. Really good with salsa and sour cream here. And so for this, Welsh Rarebit was a dish that was created by the poor in Wales as a alternative to the fact that the rich could have exquisite dishes. It used to be called Welsh Rarebit as a fact that the rich would dine on rabbit, they could not. So Welsh Rarebit, it's basically cheese on toast. It's a cheese sauce on toast. Really good. And to make this, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Once that's melted, add in 1/8 of a cup of flour, some salt and pepper to taste, a dash of dry mustard, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Once that's smooth, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of beer or chicken broth. Once that begins to boil, we're going to bring in the cheese. Now, this is 8 ounces of cheese, shredded up, and it mixed quite a bit. I added in a little bit of salsa to taste as well, just because normally you would add in a little bit of Tabasco, 2 drops of Tabasco. Now, what we'll also want to do is toast some slices of bread or some tortillas. Now, this is normally sourdough bread, so if you choose to do it that way, you can. But we're making tortillas, so we heated up some tortillas on the comal. And then we're going to pour this over our tortillas. And I heated them up a little bit more on the comal and folded them over into quesadillas. And I think they came out really good. You should try this. The Welsh book, The Mabinogion, is actually the precursor to most of the tales that you know of King Arthur. So they've seen a lot of stuff. And the Welsh take pride in the fact that life will go on. So celebrate not just the highs, but also the lows. Everything is going to happen. Everything has a meaning and a purpose and a place. And your life is not yours if you haven't had both the ups and the downs. So celebrate everything. Embrace it all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I do a new video every week. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And also let me know if there's any tacos you'd like to see me try in the future. Have a great day.